All right, so today's warm-up activity is really just practice with yesterday's material, and we want to just solidify and make sure that you guys feel comfortable with that content. So what I'd like you to do is stop the video and just give these problems a shot. Once you're done, hop back into the video, and you can watch me work through them so you can check your answers. All right, good luck, and I'll see you in a bit. Okay, welcome back to the video. So this first one, all right, it looks like the lake is what we're looking for, so I'm going to call that x. And we know that the altitude, the 6, is the geometric mean of the two segments of the hypotenuse, the 4 and the x. So I'm going to square both sides. I get 36 equals 4x. I'm going to divide both sides by 4. All right, and when I divide both sides by 4, I get that x equals 9. All right, so the lake is 9 kilometers across. All right, so again, we're just using those properties from yesterday. All right, so the next one it asked me to find PQ, PR, and PS. So I'm going to start with PS. PS is the altitude here. So I've got PS equals the geometric mean of the two pieces along the hypotenuse. So that's square root of 45. All right, and that would simplify to a 3 root 5 because 45 is 9 times 5 and square root of 9 is 3. All right, next we'll go to PQ. All right, PQ is a leg. A leg is the geometric mean of the segment under the leg and the full hypotenuse, which in this case is 18. All right, so if I take and I do that, I've got 3 times 18, which is 54. All right, then I need to try and simplify 54. So going through 54, let's see, we know 9 comes out of there 6 times, so we have a 3 root 6. All right, and then last but not least, we're going to find PR, and it's a very similar approach to the last one, except we're taking the other half of the hypotenuse. So PR equals the geometric mean of the 15, which is below it, times the 18. All right, and then 15 times 18, we get 270. So I have root 270. Then I'm going to have to simplify root 270. I know a 9 comes out of there. All right, and that leaves me with a 30, so that's simplified. So I'm going to get 3 root 30. All right, and those give me the 3 values. All right, now the next one asks me for the geometric mean of 12 and 6. So the geometric mean equals the square root of the product. All right, so if I do that, I've got 12 times 6. That's going to be 72 inside a square root. But 72, if I do a prime factorization, I'm going to get down to 6 root 2. All right, so the geometric mean of 12 and 6 is 6 root 2. All right, now the next one says find A if 9 is the geometric mean of A and 35. So 9 equals the square root of A times 35. All right, so I square both sides. 81 equals 35A. I divide both sides by 35. All right, now when I look at this, I don't see anything immediately that divides out. You've got 5 and 7 go into 35, and 81 is just 3's. So in this, we're really stuck. Our A value is 81 35ths. All right, there just happens to not be a really clean answer for this one. All right, so that takes us through today's warm-up. Tonight's homework is more practice with what we did yesterday. So good luck with that. Bring your questions to class tomorrow. Thanks.